Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 18.0.1 is finally out. The wait is over. Everyone is waiting for this update for quite a long time, and finally this update is over here. The update size is about 277 MBs. It depends upon from which iOS version you are coming. Also, it depends on what iPhone you are using. So there are a lot of bug fixes, and I'm gonna talk about everything in this video. If you are on 18.0, you can install this update. You need to go to settings, journal, software update, and you will see the software update just like I did. But if you are on 18.1 developer beta or even public beta, you will not see the update. As you can see, I am on iOS 18.1 over here, and I will not see the update. If I go and select the public beta over here, go back, software update, again no update. If I turn off the beta updates over here, go back to the software update, no update again. If I go again to the iOS 18 developer beta over here, go to the software update, no update. So if you're on 18.1 and you want to install this update, you have to downgrade using iTunes. But I don't think you need to install this update. This update is importantly for the people that are using 18.0. As everyone know, 18.0 was very buggy. A lot of issues were going on, and it was quite annoying with the battery issues and many other issues. Everyone was talking about that, when the update will come, how we can fix the issues, and pretty much every other person was waiting for 18.0.1. Also, even for the iPad M4 chip versions, Apple pulled the iOS 18 update, and they were not even updated to the iOS 18. But now they are also updated to the 18.0.1. So if you have iPad M4 chip version, you can also install this update and enjoy all new iOS 18 features. Now coming back to this video, coming back to this topic, and let's talk about what features, what things are fixed over here. Most important thing, there is nothing new in this update. It is very important to understand this is a double dot update, as everyone knows. And when it comes to new features always comes with a single dot update. For example, 18.1, 18.2, 18.3, etc. But when it comes to double dot updates are always about bug fixes and security patches. So no new feature, just bug fixes. However, these bug fixes are very important, as this update provides important bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. Now let's talk about what Apple fixed over here, starting with very first thing. Touchscreen may be temporarily unresponsive in certain circumstances on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models. Now, it is not only about 16 or 16 Pro models. Every other iPhone was having these touchscreen issues where touch was not working properly. I was having this issue over here. Sometimes I'm trying to toggle anything and it was not working. So it was really annoying, and it was happening to every other iPhone, and many people were talking about it. Even some people are facing this issue on the 18.1, although I'm not facing for now on 18.1. There are many bugs and other things going on 18.1, but for me touchscreen issue is not on 18.1, but it was on 18.0, and now it is fixed with the 18.0.1 update. Really good news. Now, camera may freeze when recording macro video on ultra wide camera in 4K with HDR turned on iPhone 16 Pro models. Now, the iPhone 16 users were facing this problem there, where camera may was freezing while recording the macro video on ultra wide camera in 4K with HDR turned off. Now that is also fixed in the iPhone 16 Pro models. You guys let me know if you are having any sort of camera issues. I was not having any sort of camera issues on this device. Everything was working fine, but many people were facing camera issues, and that are also fixed. Now moving to the next one, messages may unexpectedly quit when relying to a message with a shared Apple Face Watch. Now this was a very annoying bug. If anyone goes on and share Apple Watch Face in the iMessages and Messages app was crashing. It was not working properly, and to make it work properly they have to completely delete the conversation, which is not convenient, being very honest. But now that is also fixed with this update. Now here is the most important thing. Performance may be impacted due to an issue with the memory allocation on some iPhone models. So memory allocation issue was there, and when it comes to memory allocation issue, it affects the performance, and when performance get affected, it also affects the battery life. So this was generally a very important issue to be fixed. This issue was also causing the heating issues on many different iPhones. So memory allocation is also being fixed over here, which means the performance will be improved, the battery life will be improved, and there will be pretty much no heating issues at all. So finally, these are some of the things that Apple talk about this update. These issues are fixed. I'm quite excited and happy that 18.0.1 is out over here. So I'm definitely going to install this update. If you ask me, should you install this update? Yes, definitely go and install this update, get the all bug fixes, and enjoy a stable update. I haven't updated it, as you can see, but definitely I'm going to update this version, because again it was quite annoying. And if I go and show you the Geekbench score over here, I don't know if I tested the Geekbench. I did test the Geekbench of 18.0. It was not good. In the multi-core, it was decent. As you can see, it is better than the average one over here. But in the multi-core, in single core it was decent, but in the multi-core it was not good. It is below average, and performance was not good. In fact, if I show you the 17.7 score over here, as you can see, in the multi-core it was much higher than the average one. So 17.7 was giving much good scores, but 18.0 was not giving good scores. So I'm expecting that this update will bring better scores, better performance, and we will be able to enjoy the iOS 18.0. So it is already downloaded, is preparing the update, and now I'm gonna install this update. While installing this update, I really want to talk about a bit about the situation with the iOS 18.1. I'm not happy with the 18.1 performance. I really want to see the 18.1 developer beta 6 or public beta 3. I'm talking about this from so many videos that there are issues going with the iOS 18.1. 18.1 beta 4 was really good. 18.1 public beta 1 was really good. Battery life was good, performance was good, Geekbench scores were good. But since 18.1 developer beta 5 slash public beta 2 is out, it is not a good device. There are issues going on. There is also this very annoying lock screen bug, which I really hate. As you can see, this area over here looks quite shrinked. If I go and customize over here, you just see the lag while going to the customization. I don't know why it takes a lot of time, and if I go back, it shrinks again. This is really annoying, and there are lags going on in the 18.1. So I'm hoping that 18.1 beta 6 or RC update will come to fix this bug. Well, this is all from this video. Again, if you are on 18.0, just install the 18.0.1 and get the bug fixes. I'm already installing this update. Definitely I will talk about more this update. I will test out the performance, battery life, Geekbench score, and bring more videos. So make sure to subscribe the channel. Well, I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.